Next, we will discuss the quotient rule for differentiation. The quotient rule states that the derivative of a ratio of two functions is not the ratio of the derivatives, but the following combination of functions and their derivatives. This is the rule stated in Newton notation, and this is the same rule stated in Leibniz notation. We can ease the notation by dropping all the x's from the statements of the rule. It is also beneficial to know the rule for different sets of letters. Here's the same rule written in terms of u and v. Let's, for example, find the derivative of the following function. We start the process by recognizing that we have to find the derivative of a ratio of two functions, which is equal to the following combination of functions and their derivatives, each of which we should either already know or know how to find. We get the final answer after plugging everything in and simplifying. We discussed the quotient rule for differentiation and how it makes it possible to find the derivatives of quotients of functions.